Yeah. Generally, we avoid the night because it's dangerous. But let's see about the night, how beautiful it can be. We know that all bad things happen in the night. Different people different think in different ways. Silently sleeps the river. The dark pines hold their peace. The nightingale does not sing, or the corncrake screech. Night silence enfolds. Only the brook murmurs. And the brilliant moon turns everything to silver. Excuse me. Silver the river and the rivulets. Silver the grass or the fertile steppes. Night silence enfolds, all sleeps in nature, and the brilliant moon turns everything to silver. What happens? As night falls in, everything seems to be sleeping. The trees look dark, the pine trees. They stand quietly, see the drawings of the pine trees. When it gets dark, shadow, as if they are sleeping. Birds do not sing, the nightingale does not sing, or the corncrake screech. Corncrake is an animal, it does not screech. Corncrake. The corncrake, for the corn machine for taking out corns. There's a machine, while cutting corns in the field, or they just want to say that means that everything slows down. These are called lyric poems. Night silence enfolds, only the brook murmurs, and the brilliant moon turns everything to silver. We see owls and everything there. Isn't it? Why is he always saying enfolds? Enfold means here completely surround, cover your area, the earth, the part which is in darkness, which has night. Like a blanket, it makes it dark. For everything to sleep. Even birds sleep. No machines work. The corncrakes also don't screech. That there's nothing, no agriculture going on, no irrigation going on, no farmers there in the field. Everyone asleep. The night silence enfolds. There is silence in the night. Only the brook murmurs. In the river, water goes, you can hear that water going. And the brilliant moon turns everything to silver. Even the water shines. The fields look silver, that light falls on it. Silver the river and the rivulets. Rivulets are the small pool in the streams. Silver also looks the grass and the fertile steppes. Where there is grass, no trees, only you see grass. Or fields of agriculture. Night silence enfolds, all sleeps in nature. And the brilliant moon turns everything to silver. So he's saying how beautiful it looks. In the morning it glows like a flower, the world, the earth. Everything is bright because of the light, and in the night also same thing. It goes down and becomes silver. In the morning it's gold, in the night it's silver. Beautiful. In types of thinking, how you are going to like it. The poem talks about night as if it is a person. What other thing does the poet treat in this way? He's treating the trees, the dark pines hold their peace. He's treating the rivers, they become also silver. He's treating the grass, they are becoming silver. Everything sleeps in nature. He's comparing nature to men, to human beings. The poet talks about night as if it is a person. What other things does the poet treat in this way? The nature and human beings. According to you, is the poet describing an urban setting or a rural setting? Support your answers with examples from the text. He is explaining a rural setting, not an urban. He is not talking about a city. Which one would you prefer, to gaze at the night sky in the mountains or in the city? Mountains are beautiful, nature is there. City only buildings. How do urban sound and light pollution spoil the beauty of the night? Advertisements, bright lights, honking, so much noise, you just see that. And your village you see so nice and cool, calm. So your job is to do the comprehension skill, finish it off and do it and rest. We'll see you when your homework and all is done. Okay? So this is your job. We are done with the full book. Both the books are done. And now you go ahead and complete the book. And that's your job. Okay? So till then, take care. Bye bye. See you. And God bless. And take care of yourselves. Be happy.